Hello, I'm Uriel from AVACOM, CTO of the company, and I will present the solution that we have and we are providing for educational purposes. First of all, we want to say this is a complete solution. The solution is including the boards that we have there. Those are actually charts and having all the content that we have for the lessons in specific education. We have the combination of different tables, one of this size, which is the 95 inches. Another one would be this little table for the youngest ones. But also this includes, the ecosystem includes the laptop devices that are provided for the professors or the tablets that are provided for the students. They can all be together collaborating and having all the content that they need in the specific schools. We are reaching more than 120,000 students right now, and those are with or without internet connection. Our system is actually differentiated for the competence because we can operate with or without internet. Also, with or without electricity, we can add some specific add-ons so we can continue going with the lessons, and the education can keep going.